Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Taking note of the cable connections for reinstallation, disconnect the I/O card cable from the connector on the I/O card. Remove the 4 5mm hex screws that secure the I/O card to the rear of the chassis. Lift and remove the card from the chassis. Repeat steps 1 through 3 to remove the remaining I/O cards. Replacement. Lower the I/O card into place, aligning it with the cutouts in the chassis. While supporting the I/O, replace the Torx T15 screw that secures the card to the chassis. Reconnect the cable to the connector on the I/O card. Repeat steps 1 through 3 to replace the remaining I/O cards.